today's Technical Corner, I'm here with James from Sandvik Coromant. Now, welcome, James. We're going to discuss SilentToolsPlus, the boring bars. Now, what do they actually do that is unique?
Well, Silent Tools have been around for decades and they are productivity boosters. They are tools for long overhangs in ratio to the diameter. And because of the fact you will always induce vibration, we have a damping slug which is unique and patented, and it actually minimises the vibration occurring so you can run at higher cutting data and produce good quality parts.
Apart from reducing vibration, you know, and collecting the data, what other productivity gains would somebody get?
Well, from SilentToolsPlus, what we've actually done is we've added sensors into the boring bar so you can get information in real time as the boring bar's in cut. So that's firstly gives you a true visualisation of what's happening in the bore. But the other benefits really are we've got in there so you can actually set the tool on centreline, visually see it out on your tablet, which is sent through Bluetooth. So you can get the tool on truly on centreline, which will ultimately increase your productivity, your component quality, your tool life.
Now, is this unique to yourselves?
SilentToolsPlus is 100% unique to Sandvik Coromant. We are really taking steps forward with our Industry 4 offer here, and sensor embedded tools and connectivity and actually being able to have real-time data is all part of that. So yes, they are unique.
And is it just a gimmick? How important is this real-life data?
It's not a gimmick. We have invested a significant amount into this and research and development. I mean, it's really about increasing people's machine tool up times, reducing scrap rates, and actually having data that you can analyse rather than having the little black book. You know, skills are diminishing from the manufacturing industry, things are becoming more digitalised, and we really need to bring tooling solutions to complement the machines and the software as well, so you get the whole approach from end to end.
And what kind of size bores does this technology lend itself to? What range?
I mean, our standard range that we offer starts from 60mm in diameter boring bars, 10 times D, but we can offer engineered solutions of SilentToolsPlus boring bars up to 300mm in diameter, 18 times D. So you could bore up to 5.4 metres deep with these.
I mean, they're very large components, obviously would be very high value. Are these predominantly low volume work that you'd be using this kind of tooling on?
Well, the real big industries we see for this is oil and gas. I mean, oil and gas and aerospace, typically high value components with boring, probably towards the end of the operation, so the parts are worth a lot of money at this stage. So now you can actually take real data out and actually be a bit more secure in your approach.
So would it lend itself to higher volume work?
Higher volume work, yeah, because you actually can now take data, you get a history of that data, and then you can actually start optimizing your process. So, you know, high value parts, you don't want to run them too fast, but equally you want to run them as efficiently and securely as possible, and this really gives you that opportunity.
So people that have got parts like this, you know, and have not seen or not aware of this solution, you know, I can really see the benefits in this. How should they get in touch with you?
Firstly, I think we have a fantastic offer on the website. If you search Sandvik Coromant Cora Plus, we have a huge solution of Industry 4 tools and connectivity, and this is just one of them. Or equally, get a hold of your Sandvik Coromant representative and they'll be more than happy to come and visit you and discuss your needs and marry up solutions that we can offer you.
James, thank you very much for your time. And that's it for today's Technical Corner. If you need more information about this unique tooling, please get in touch with Sandvik Coromant today.